Welcome to Review Rumble. The best first apartment essentials is probably one of the most exciting times in your life, but it can also be a little overwhelming. From furniture to kitchen gadgets, the list of things you need seems endless. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through the must-have essentials for your first apartment, making sure you're prepared without breaking the bank. Number 5. 6-foot surge protector power strip with USB. This power strip features 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. It provides a convenient and efficient way to power all your electronics. The 3-side design ensures that plugs don't block each other, and the wider spacing accommodates various equipment. This compact design is perfect for homes, offices, and dorm rooms. It is ETL certified and equipped with multiple safety features, including overload, short circuit, and overvoltage protection. This surge protector safeguards your devices from power surges and spikes. The flat plug design allows for easy use in tight spaces, and the 6-foot cord provides flexibility. It also includes mounting holes for secure installation. Our friendly customer service is available to assist you within 24 hours. You can purchase with confidence, knowing it comes with a 30-day return policy and a 12-month warranty. What we like? This power strip offers multiple USB ports, allowing you to charge all your devices simultaneously. It also features surge protection, safeguarding your electronics from power fluctuations. If you have a lot of devices to charge or need to protect your electronics from power surges, you should consider this. What people say. The build quality feels solid and durable, and the design is compact enough to fit comfortably in tight spaces without feeling bulky. The long power cord is a big plus, giving plenty of flexibility when positioning it around furniture or electronics. It offers multiple outlets and USB ports, which makes it extremely convenient for charging several devices at once, perfect for phones, laptops, gaming accessories, and small appliances. The surge protection feature provides peace of mind, especially when using expensive electronics. The 8 widely spaced outlets make it easy to plug in larger adapters without blocking anything, and the 4 USB ports are super convenient for charging phones, tablets, and small devices without needing extra bricks. The design with outlets on the sides really helps avoid clutter, and the 6-foot cord gives enough reach for tricky spaces. Number 4. Gorilla Grip Silicone Oven Mitts, Black. These oven mitts are designed with a durable silicone construction, making them naturally slip-resistant. The unique textured honeycomb pattern helps you maintain a firm grip on your cookware. Say goodbye to stained oven mitts. These mitts are both stain-resistant and waterproof. Spills are easily rinsed away, and hot liquids won't soak through to your skin. Enjoy comfort while you cook with the soft cotton lining. It provides extra protection and feels amazing. The silicone is also flexible, conforming easily to your grip. These mitts are made with food-grade silicone, tested safe for direct contact with food. They are the perfect choice for any home chef. These mitts offer maximum protection from high temperatures, up to 484 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike cotton mitts, they are perfect for use at the grill, stove, or oven. Each mitt provides generous arm coverage. What we like? These oven mitts are heat-resistant and waterproof, protecting your hands from high temperatures and spills. The cotton lining provides extra comfort. If you are looking for oven mitts that are easy to clean and offer superior heat protection, you should consider these. What people say. They handle the heat really well and are slip-resistant. The mitt cover a good portion of the forearm, which these do at 14.5 inches. The silicone material, which the ad states is BPA-free, coupled with the textured pattern ensure a secure, non-slip grip which has alleviated worrying about dropping the dish or pan. Silicone tolerates very high heat without difficulty, up to 484 F unlike cotton mitts according to the ad, which makes them safe to use with the grill, eliminating worries about the hot item burning through to the skin. The inside of the mitt is thickly padded, fits securely, and is quite comfortable. The mitts are very easy to clean with no staining or residue absorbed or left behind. Number 3. NutriChef 3-piece Nonstick Baking Pans. This set includes small, medium, and large cookie pans. They are a stylish and flexible addition to any kitchen, perfect for all your baking needs. Featuring a PTFE PFOA PFOS-free nonstick coating, this set ensures easy food release and effortless cleaning. It allows for healthy cooking and is resistant to high heat. Made from durable carbon steel, these pans resist warping and are built to last. You can use them in the oven, refrigerator, and freezer, making them a reliable choice. These cookie sheets provide excellent food release and are easy to clean. They are also dishwasher safe and stain resistant, with a space-saving, stackable design. With bold-colored, commercial-grade metal bakeware, it provides a confident grasp. They are oven-safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they can handle the heat. What we like. This set features a non-stick coating for easy food release and cleaning. Made from durable carbon steel, they are built to last. If you like baking and want a set of pans that are easy to clean and provide even cooking, you should consider these. What people say. So far used a few times. Food comes out good with no sticking and easily cleans. The rubber handles are great in case you don't have oven mitts and can quickly move from the oven to a counter without too much fuss. My biggest worry, especially with oven-related kitchenware, is warping. I was honestly hesitant even with these, but through continuous and nearly daily use I've had no issues at all, with so far max temps being 475. I was concern-free after a month of use, as usually most bakeware tends to warp even sooner than that. These are great quality and are also constantly put through the dishwasher with no issues of rust whatsoever. The silicone handles are wonderful. They are removable for easy cleaning. The pans are sturdy. Number 2. Yaheetech Lift Top Coffee Table, 47.5 inches, Espresso. This is a versatile coffee table with a lift top design. It provides a spacious working or dining surface. The metal mechanism raises the tabletop easily and smoothly. The table's neutral color and clean lines allow it to blend with various home styles. You can work or dine comfortably without bending over while relaxing on the couch. Its clean lines and solid hues complete the modern look. It can easily fit into your living room, no matter the style. It features a hidden compartment under the top for storing items like laptops and game controllers. This keeps your essentials within reach but out of sight. The coffee table has an adjustable bottom shelf. It offers 2 ground clearance options to accommodate different item sizes. This design also allows robot vacuum cleaners to easily fit underneath. What we like. This coffee table has a lift top design, creating a convenient workspace or dining surface. It also features hidden storage to keep your living room tidy. If you are looking for a versatile coffee table that offers both functionality and storage, you should consider this. What people say. The sheets are soft and comfortable. The towels are absorbent and a good size. The dishes are a nice design and seem durable. Number 1. Protect Life 100-piece Mini First Aid Kit. This first aid kit is designed by emergency experts, perfect for outdoor use. It's a professional-grade kit, ideal for travel, hiking, and all your outdoor adventures. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry in backpacks or glove boxes. This is a must-have item for camping, hiking trips, or any survival situations. Made with high-quality materials, this kit is built to withstand rugged use. It's ideal for campers, hikers, and anyone preparing for outdoor survival. This mini first aid kit is stocked with key emergency supplies. It's great for hiking, biking, or camping, ensuring you're ready for any minor injuries. We are committed to your safety with this compact and portable kit. It's a reliable companion for adventure, travel, and unexpected emergencies. What we like. This first aid kit is compact and portable, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. It contains essential supplies for treating minor injuries. If you are planning any outdoor activities or want to be prepared for emergencies, you should consider it. What people say. It comes with everything you could ever need and more. It literally has more than any average person should ever need. It's pretty compact, about as much as it can be for being loaded with everything, but it slid under my seat just fine. It crammed into my bag fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.